Good day, teachers. Today, I would like to show you how to use the Google Translate extension so you can help your students that need this extension. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and get the extension. The easiest way to do that is to go to the launcher on a Chromebook, and the web store has a little shopping bag pictured on it. Click that little shopping bag. That'll take you right to the web store. You're going to go ahead and search for Google Translate. Here it is right here in this picture. And when that populates, you're ready to add it to the browser. Mine already says remove from Chrome because I have already added this extension to my browser. The next thing that you need to do is pin the extension so that it's easy to get to as the student uses the Chromebook. So you go to the little puzzle piece that says extensions, go to Google Translate, and then just click on the pin, and now you can see Translate lives at the top of the browser, so it's very easy for me to get to. The next thing that we want to do before we start using it is go to the settings inside of Translate. So go ahead and click on it, and down here in teeny tiny little font, extension options is the next place that you want to go. And here's where you're going to choose the student's home language. There's a very, very long list of languages, and you're going to choose the student's home language. I recommend that you just leave this setting alone. Later on, as the student becomes more comfortable using it, they may choose to not have the icon and just have the pop-up happen all the time. But this is a great way to start out. And then click Save, and you're ready to begin using the extension. If your student is literate in their home language, the best thing that you can do for them with this extension is just translate the entire page. So again, you're going to go to the extension, and then here are the words translate this page. Obviously, this box is here in case you want to just paste a word into it, and it'll translate just that word. But let's see what it looks like when we translate the entire page into Spanish. If you go over to the student and you need to see what it is they are reading in English, again, you can go here, and this button is going to take you back to all English on the page. The extension does a few other things. If, for example, you only need to have a few words translated, highlight the words. Once you highlight, that is going to pop up. Click on it.
Earth's tectonic plates.
In English and
Las placas tectónicas de la Tierra.
also in Spanish. If you highlight a short paragraph, you can still get the audio.
El movimiento de las placas tectónicas de la Tierra.
But for a paragraph longer than that, it will not give you the audio. It will only give you just the translation right here. Now you can open it in Google Translate, and that's the option that you see here. And
Los límites de las placas son importantes porque a menudo están
there's your location for your audio. So it takes an extra step, but you still can get the audio if the student needs to have the page read to them. I hope this helps you help your students. Remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.